Hello YouTube, welcome to this video, and this is another of my Zippo lighter series, and this week, the peace sign. Authentic Zippo lighter, you know the score. I'm collecting the series, there's 80 to collect, and this is number 24. The authentic Zippo mark there. Saying peace. Okay, let's put a normal got a book that tells you all about it. And this is the dawn, written as in the dawn of the 70s. The world of 1970 was radically different to when it was in 1932, when George Lee Blaswell founded Zippo. Zippo began a new decade with adverts showing that compared to 1932, with the company's formation, there's a picture on the left, and in 1970. And how it's changed. The actual Apollo 11 mission to the moon, and the backdrop is their headquarters. Put side by side, the images made a persuasive point, as much to say the world has changed. But the only enduring thing that's been quality in both decades was Zippo lighters, of course. And the advert also features the slogan, "Give a friend a get friend." Of the 8 lighters to feature in this series in 1970, also in the sports series featured a golfer to suggest a Father's Day gift, and a slim Zippo lighter for Mother's Day gifts. And once again, that with the two contrasting pictures. Pictures of the book at the end of this video. Birthdays would also be an ideal time to give a friend a Zippo or a relative, and of course they did star signs, and then did various options such as a sterling silver or 14 karat gold when someone, your son or daughter, graduates, or any other happy occasions. In 71, the Zippo again came out with the advertising campaign with a great range of gift options. And among the 8 Zippo lighters are designs with the American Stars and Stripes, the Dallas Cowboys for the NFL, and in 1976, the whole country came together to celebrate 200 years of the United States of America. And there are some pictures there and there. Another significant anniversary was in 77, the 45th birthday of the company. And once again reaffirms its guarantee. We guarantee any Zippo lighter ever made to work always, or we'll fix it for free. And they did 30 special lighters. And as you see, bad hairstyles back in the 70s. But you could smoke anywhere, and pretty good decade. The peace sign, which is what this light is all about. The campaign for nuclear disarmament in the UK was founded in 1958 by Gerald Holton, and Holton devised a symbol for the word peace. The sign with two downwards lines represent N for nuclear and D for disarmament, surrounded by an outside circle. Outside Britain, the sign represents the general shorthand for peace, and the US Civil Rights campaigners adopted their symbols as well. In 1970, it was reproduced on the Zippos lighter, and in the 2000s, there's the World Peace Black Ice model, the sapphire piece on the side with a satin chrome finish. This Zippo here is a number 214 with a matte white finish, and the peace sign itself is supplied by a technique of colour imaging. More images of said lighters there, and this one here. Every decade has its struggles and advances technology. Peace and love at the start of the 70s, and the fight of the anniversary fight when 200 years of the United States of America, in 1976, etc. The moon landing happened the decade earlier, and what could possibly go wrong except this nuclear button with threat of nuclear war, which was always there with the Soviet Union. In 1974, Martin Luther King Jr. lighter was launched, and Zippo did various peace lighters, as you can see there and there. The wood grain lighter was introduced in 1972, and in 1977 a tortoise shell look was introduced to look at eyeglasses as an inspiration. Denim was also a success story of the decades, and Zippo introduced its denim lighter as well. Creating the perfect vibes. BM Vibes, as it launched the Born to Ride series in 1992. The executives weren't sure about this one because it was quite a departure from the traditional Zippo look, but everyone thought it was just one person, but it was in fact 6 designers, and it proved very revolutionary and created an interest in the artwork in the lighter, and it's very collectible. Perhaps I bung one of those in my set of 80 which they've given me. Well, I'm paying for them. There's some, and there's the designers. Okay, news in 77. Jaws, the movie, was launched. The Toronto skyline was transformed when the CN Tower opened at 1,800 feet, 533 metres high. I've been up it, by the way. That was back in about 22 years ago on an amazing trip to Toronto, Niagara Falls and Montreal. James Gallagher became Prime Minister, Harold Wilson resigned, and Jimmy Carter became President. Next, we had record temperatures of 35.9 degrees in Cheltenham, and I was 10 years old. Okay, next up, or next time on this series is the bottom stamp. That's the lighter again. And you know the score, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. And enjoy the video of the book. Stay lit.